YouTube? It's me again, talking away. This is it's now 2022. We all survived the great whatever the hell it's called. We're all still here, hopefully. Everybody that's still coming to my channel, what I got for you this year? Well, basically the same shit as last year. I got a whole bunch of stuff going on. I got a Wilton Vice I'm finishing. I'm currently working on a Colombian Vice and a Wilton Vice. Still trying to wait for machinery for that. Not machinery. I'm waiting for a piece of tooling for that thing over there. Clean up my garage. Got more. I got videos coming out to April of different random stuff. I've been throwing in. I'll be throwing in small videos, and if I'm working on stuff, and like you'll see the crazy ones of my daughter, and me doing like random stuff that just has nothing to do with garage stuff. But in between that, I'll throw in some more videos of me working on stuff and old tools. I got a bunch of old tools thanks to a chap over the pond. They're coming in the mail. I picked up a few odds and ends. It's still half tool channel and me half doing weird projects. I will also be probably redoing is it a 3-ton press? I don't know where. I don't even know where it is. It's around here somewhere. I have an arbor press. I got to repaint and then flip it and get rid of it. I have a 1/2-ton arbor press. I'm going to redo that one and flip it and sell it. Get out of here. Some room. Buy some more stuff. And we're just going to keep going. And so if you stick around this year, you'll see me doing stuff. It's, you know what I mean? I don't feel like I'm going to be burnt out on this channel. Maybe burnt out trying to edit these videos. But it's something I've always done, I always do. And I'm just, tinkering around. I've been doing this for about 10, 20 years now. And not on this capacity. 20 years ago, I didn't have this much junk. I had a different garage back then. I think it was smaller. Back then, I was into Austin Minis and cars and stuff, and now it's just, keep it small and fun. So yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and hopefully you'll enjoy some of the stuff I got to show you through the year. I'm going to try to put a little, what do you call it, year-end mishmash of videos together, but I got so many damn videos, I don't even know where to start. So I'll just probably, I don't know. I don't even know what to do when it comes for the best of, because I don't know. I'm just going to take clips of stuff and put it together for you. Or I'll do my, my sound check videos, because I have like probably, 200 sound check videos of me going blah, 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 and just doing sound check, and that stuff. So thanks for watching. Click the subscribe button if you haven't. If you're new to this channel, like, subscribe, leave a comment. You don't have to like it. You don't have to subscribe, but it helps me out. So thanks a lot.